So I just wanted to jump in and give a little bit of context for what's happening. The first concept that I made for Beth came along really quick, and I am now working on the second concept for her. It's been like a few days, and I am still going like with the psychedelic theme and trying to communicate that as best that I can. I am focusing on the typographic logo, making sure that she has a full logo system that she can use. So that's what the main like bread and butter of her brand is going to be made up of. So stay tuned as I work on those, and at the end of the video, I will be showing Beth what we have made live on camera, and we will be getting her reaction and seeing which one she likes. The star of the show. So I'm presenting the concepts to her tomorrow. I've put together the whole presentation, and I put together a few mock-ups for her that I thought like would fit her uses. And what I have left to do today is I want to show her how this could potentially work in print, and then I also want to show her how each of them like would move. I'm not a motion designer by any means, but I really think that adding motion really shows you like the personality of the different brands, and I feel like it kind of like fits her like brand's personality of like fun and quirky. So that's what I have left to do today, and then I think the next time that I'll see you guys is when I'm presenting the concepts to her. Okay, so just to go over where we've been, so we're trying to design a brand for you that gives you a more established presence and can be used for merchandising and licensing purposes.
Yeah.
Your brand values, you want to provoke new thinking by creating art that juxtaposes the beautiful and uncomfortable, and you want to tell a story through your unique and quirky aesthetic.
Heck yeah.
And then, so your traits are artistic, direct, quirky, bright, trendy, and you are definitely not conservative, reserved, safe, or earthy.
Not at all.
So your target demographic, which you told me was like the young fans, and then like the young hip art buyers.
For sure. Like, yeah, basically like millennial and Gen Z is what I
Yeah,
mean.
yeah.
Gen Z.
For our mood board, we went with the second concept, which was like psychedelia and like all this like crazy stuff. Okay, so here we go. Here's option 1. This is the logo.
Oh my gosh.
So this one, I think I have it. Here's the whole system. So this one has like moving type, which I guess I could just show you now, honestly. Where is it? Okay. It's a little hard to see because like I did it in white, but like this is what
That's so sick.
I'm imagining for this one. There is a GIF for the other one too, so don't worry. So then this is like how the colors interact. So these are main two colors, really like bright hot pink and like a lime green.
You literally captured the color scheme I was like thinking about.
I'm so glad.
Wild.
You said that you wanted it to be a watermark, so I did like an example of 2 different ways that you could use it as a watermark. I have some icons over here as well, so you have a full set that you can use, and this one is like very heavily using the flower motif because you said that you liked the basic daisies. So that's that one.
I love the icons.
Yay! There's a full set of icons for the second concept too, so they're just a little different. I also included like how you could use it as a garment tag, and also included how you could use it potentially for like print and like thank you and packaging and all that kind of stuff. That's concept 1. I'll have both.
Fun. Whoa.
I'll have both at the end so we could like we could flip through this again and like talk about like what you like and like potentially don't like or whatever. So
gotcha.
No worries there. Option 2 is this like psychedelic hand lettering option with this like flower. Yeah, so this is the way that it like interacts on different colors.
That's so sick.
So these are like all of the little tablets.
This is so dope.
As like your garment tag, and then how you could use it in print materials.
That's so dope.
So yeah, that's the whole thing.
No, this is amazing. And like both of the options are so solid. I love them both. God, this is so hard.
Oh, let me show you the GIF for option 2.
Oh my god, that's so sick! I want that little green sucker right there for sure. That's what I want. God, I love it so much.
Honestly, I like if you like the type in option 1 better, I can like
and that's what I was gonna say. If you combine that with option 1, I'm set.
Okay.
I love it.
Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, I could definitely do that. So option 1 with like little Daisy dude from option 2.
I love that. Like it looks so good with the Lopez.
Yeah. So you want it to be responsive, right? So you want to have like your big, thick, chunky one, and then you want to have one that's slightly smaller that can fit on like maybe, I have no idea, like on a small surface basically, like a button, or like if you wanted to use it for like a profile icon just to like switch it up, you could do that too. But I just did Beth, but I didn't know like, because your name is so long, I didn't know.
The biggest dilemma was the Lopez, you know?
Okay, so just to interpret a little bit of what Beth said in that meeting, she really liked the type from concept 1, and she ended up liking the iconography from the second concept a little bit more. So I am going to be making a kind of like hybrid of those two, and then I will be sending that to her this week. So then if she approves that, I will end up sending her all of the materials at that point. And this is like a pretty like realistic outcome, I would say. Like this happens pretty often where a client will like something from one and then something a little bit better from another concept. So a lot of the time I end up kind of like mixing and matching ideas, which is fine, especially since we came up with like one concept that she liked. It's not like they were two completely different ideas and then we're trying to like mash them together. I think that in this case, those ideas work really well together. So I'm like perfectly happy with that solution and kind of making it like the best of both worlds. So I just want to say a big thank you to Beth for letting me film this entire process and kind of like put it out in the public. That was really nice of her, and I think it makes for a really cool viewing experience. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really like this video and you want to see more content from me, hit subscribe, and I will be making new videos very soon. Thank you so much again, and have a great rest of your day.